Symbud Myntri Rangbah Bah Prestone Tynsong sngi Thohdieng ulalum ke jingialang jong baroh lightly ke district council kren halor ke jing pyndonkam no eki core digital Buh Jingthoh ek Jaka Puta naka digitization of land record. Haba kren chikila pathai Khubor Bah Prestone iathuh baka sorkar India lyngba tnat land resources kala mynjur Peit tynka naka bynta pynrung no ek Jingthoh halor ke Jaka Puta katkum ke digital mynta.
And from Revenue Department as well as from the DCA Department, we discussed about one important issue. And the issue is about the digitalization of land records. Digitalization of land records. In fact, the government of India, through the Department of Land Resources, Ministry Government of India, they are willing to fund this important project where they really wanted that each and every state they should digitalize the land in their respective state. So now we have a detailed discussion and we decided that these responsibilities should be given, should be entrusted to all the three district councils. They will become the implementing agency in their respective jurisdiction, and then we will have also, beyond that, we will have the project management unit where we call it PMU, and this PMU is to be headed by the secretary of the head of the department of the DCA. Then the members will be from Revenue Department, all the respective deputy commissioners, and then all the respective district council. They'll be also part of this PMU. So these were the issues where we discussed, and we have already decided that once the notification comes out, then the district council, all the three district council, has to immediately implement this digitalization throughout the state. How the benefit is like this, because see, right now, if you ask whether from the district council or from the state government, we don't have land record. Okay, there is no land record at all. So if you compare between Meghalaya and UP, in UP state, what they have, they already done this digitalization program, and it's so easy. Even my own private land, I have a proper document. We do have this record everything through through computer. You have all the record, because this is easily accessible, where anybody can just see it. Okay, the land of Prestone is from this much to this much, the size is this big, that big, and then what we're doing is this council or the concerned authority will issue me the land holding certificate. So once that is done, the dispute will be drastically reduced. Because see, right now the experience I've just shared with my colleague, three district council, when we go for land acquisition, maybe for 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers for construction of road, what happened? We have a very bad experience. The moment we release the compensation to one particular landowner, may be authenticated by the local headman or by the CM. Again, maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, again another person will come and claim, maybe from the same title. So these are the challenges that we have. And through this digitalization, I'm telling you, it will really help. It will transform the state of Peit.